Hello YouTube, JMO back with you guys again today. Little portfolio update for you. It is Tuesday, December 17th. It's the afternoon. The markets have closed today. As you see, we are a little down today. I did not do much driving for the DoorDash or Uber Eats last week, so I was only able to put in just a little bit to the portfolio, but we did get above that 1600 mark with some of the money we put in last week, and then I believe it was $40 that I added to the portfolio on yesterday. And let's get into what we're looking at. So we're going to start with the stocks and the ETFs today. Apple was one that was saving us from a big loser today. As you can see, it was up $2.44. Almost 1%. It's a little down in the aftermarket. So we do have the 2.4 shares at the $608 market value, up 11.32% on the year since I have begun. Apple is just a winner, one that we're going to continue to add to. My goal is to have 100 shares of Apple. Now, that's probably going to take me a long time, but that is my goal at some point. So we're going to keep adding to that. Next, we have SoFi. SoFi was up pretty big yesterday. It was up into the 1730 in the pre-market, and then looks like we had a huge sell-off today, so ended up being down 1.33% on the trading day. It is up 2 cents after hours. We do have the 25.7 shares, $429.16 market value, up 28% since we began the portfolio in October. So SoFi is one that going into 2025, I am extremely bullish on. I wouldn't be surprised if we see this thing crossing the $20 threshold at some point in 2025 and maybe even going higher. Next, we got the SCHG. This is one of my favorite ETF funds. This is the large cap growth ETF. We have the 6.71 shares at a $194.45 market value, up 4.45%. And this one is one that will be probably the biggest part of my portfolio at some point going forward, probably in the next couple of years. It's going to take a while, but this is going to be my long time, all the way to retirement age, majority of the portfolio holder. Next, we have IBIT. IBIT is the Bitcoin trust. I don't know if you guys saw, but Bitcoin hit, I want to say 107,000 the other day. So this one, just wanted to get a little bit of the Bitcoin action. So this is the ETF trust fund that I went with. We do have the 1.12 shares, $68 market value, up 9.67%. And another one we're going to continue to add to round out the portfolio. PGX. This one is the corporate bond ETF from Invesco. We have the 7.02 shares, $82.58 market value. It is down 1.69%. This was one that I wanted to get into some dividend income. So I think on their last dividend, they paid upwards of almost 6 cents a share. So probably in the next week or so, we should be seeing that dividend that we'll reinvest into the fund. And this will be one I slowly add to. Not really going to add a lot to this. Just wanted to get some dividend paybacks rolling, as I've never really got into the dividend investing, but just wanted to kind of get into it, see how it works, see how it grows. So this is one I chose to start with. I could change to a different one in the future, but for now, this is what we're going with. And then Palantir. Palantir was the one that I did add the $40 to that I put in yesterday. So we are up to the 1.56 shares, $115 market value. It is up just only the 0.09%, but this one, I wish I would have got in earlier, because as you see on the year, it's up 333%. Amazing. If I'd got in, well, I guess I didn't really start until October anyways, but if you'd got in on February 13th, yeah, you'd be winning a lot. So anyways, we're going to continue to add to this. Palantir's in the AI sector. It has government contracts, and part of that government contract is for the military. And as Americans, we all know they don't come short when it comes to spending on their military. So this will be one that I continue to add to and going into 2025. And then back up to our crypto. We still have the Dogecoin, the same amount. We are down a little bit today. This one's kind of been staying stagnant for about the past 3 weeks or so. We kind of got up to 45, 46, bounced down to here to 39, up to 43. It's just been kind of hanging out in this area. Again, just wanted to get a little bit of the crypto action. Not knowing too much about crypto myself. Just wanted to get some little holding. We do have the 270.92. Still up 8% on the year, which anything you can be 8% on, you're always going to be winning on that. And then obviously the Shiba that I wasn't able to sell all of it. So we got the 572 coins, down 3.72%. So that is the individual holding. So I was happy that I was able to pass the $1,600 mark, and still waiting for that kind of year-end rally I'm hoping for in this last, I believe we got, 7 or 8 trading days left in the year. So looking for that push. And then the Roth IRA, I was also able to add 40 something dollars to. This is one that I put in no matter what. Use some of my base income to just keep funding this. It's one that I'm going to start to put more and more in as I get closer to that retirement age. As you can see, a lot of things are just down today. Whole market was down. I think the Dow Jones had its first 9-day straight red days since the 70s. So that tells me that it's probably going to go up soon, because if it's only happened once since the 70s, it obviously doesn't happen very often. So again, just going to continue to get the Roth built up, and that's where we're going to go with that. So just wanted to give a little update and continue with my portfolio journey, and just wanted to share with you guys. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.